I like to come in and deadhead my flowers because it helps them to make more flowers when you do. And so anytime you find dead ones, come in and clip them off, and then you'll get new growth.
And you don't do this with all plants, right?
No, not all plants have to be dead-headed.
Like the hibiscus, the flowers will just fall off. But like this one, they just stay on there. They just dry up.
I think that's it, because all these are new growth. This part of that plant died, but it's put out new. So I'll cut that old off. And it should take off and start doing better now.
That was one of the bargain plants you got?
Yes. And as you can see, I'm collecting foxtails.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, they really like your clothing.